Want chicken adobo absolutely with flavor, not just meh? Today, I'm going to reveal a simple technique that guarantees an umami explosion unlike anything you've tasted. The secret weapon? Browning the chicken in its own rendered fat. Honestly, it transforms the entire dish. Let's get cooking. First things first, prep the chicken. Patting it dry is paramount. Any excess moisture will steam the chicken, preventing that beautiful, deeply savory sear we're striving for. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, don't be shy. Begin with a tablespoon of vegetable oil, but remember, the flavor comes from the rendered chicken fat. Heat your heavy-bottomed Dutch oven over medium-high heat until the oil shimmers, almost smokes. This ensures that perfect sear right from the start. So, what's next? Now, for the magic. Sear the chicken, skin side down, in batches. Avoid overcrowding the pot. Trust me, you'll get better results. Allow the chicken to render its fat. We're looking for a deep, rich, golden brown crust. This might take 5 to 7 minutes per side. Patience here is richly rewarded. The flavor payoff is absolutely immense. And after browning, what happens? Remove the deeply browned chicken and set it aside for now. Here's a step. Leave that rendered chicken fat in the pot. Drain off all but about 2 tablespoons. This rendered fat is liquid gold. It will infuse the entire dish with unparalleled flavor. So, what's next for this flavor-packed fat? Next, sauté the minced garlic and sliced onion in that glorious chicken fat for about 2 to 3 minutes, until softened, translucent, and wonderfully fragrant. This builds a foundational flavor base that beautifully enhances the richness of the chicken. Can you imagine that aroma? Now, pour in the soy sauce and white vinegar. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, scraping up any of those delightful browned bits, also known as fond, from the bottom of the pot. These concentrated flavor bombs are poised to unleash their magic. Now, introduce the chicken broth, brown sugar, whole black peppercorns, and fragrant bay leaves. Stir well to combine. The brown sugar lends a delicate sweetness that beautifully tempers the vinegar's acidity, creating an even more balanced, complex, and satisfying flavor. What's the key to the next stage? Okay, we've prepped everything. Now, we arrive at arguably the most pivotal moment in this entire recipe. Prepare yourself. And here it is. The key to truly exceptional chicken adobo. By searing the chicken in its own rendered fat first, we achieve a deeply caramelized crust. And that crust, in turn, infuses the entire sauce with an unparalleled umami depth. This is what separates truly remarkable adobo from the merely ordinary. Can you see, and almost taste, the difference? Gently return the chicken to the pot, skin side up, nestling it into the simmering sauce. Ensure the chicken is mostly submerged. Bring back to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and simmer gently for approximately 45 minutes. This is where the profound transformation really unfolds. What flavorful awaits? Carefully remove the chicken and set it aside once more. Now, increase the heat to medium-high and simmer the sauce, uncovered, for 10 to 15 minutes, or until it has beautifully reduced and thickened enough to easily coat the back of a spoon. Notice just how intensely rich the sauce is already, brimming with caramelized flavor. That's a direct result of our initial browning technique. We're nearly there. Gently return the chicken to the pot and toss gently to thoroughly coat it in that luscious, now deeply concentrated sauce. This final step is where the rich color, a direct result of those flavorful browned bits, that we lovingly scraped from the pot bottom, will truly shine, enveloping every piece of chicken in its glorious embrace. Ready to experience the final result? Serve your exquisite chicken adobo hot over fluffy, freshly cooked rice, garnished generously with chopped scallions. And there you have it. A supremely satisfying chicken adobo, absolutely bursting with umami richness, all thanks to the remarkably simple, yet powerfully effective, technique of searing the chicken in its own rendered fat. That's the AI chef difference in action. You can find the complete recipe with all its delectable details in the video description just below. Let us know in the comments what other incredible recipe you'd like us to tackle next. We always read them, and we'll see you in the next video.